Recycle everything with sand just on a hot surface. When we clean the beach, we know that we will put the trash to another place because we can't use it anymore. Get a single tile for $2 and a steel plate for $4. Glue bricks around it and build up a system of bricks and screws as you see here. Level the frame. Stretch heating wire between screws. Insulate by sand or ceramic wool. Now you have an oven for $20. Spray sponge glue. Or use waste tape. LDPE as a first layer. Put more waste tape if you have and start heating. Use everything, but keep low density polyethylene ready to cool hot places. Always keep low density polyethylene ready to cover hot spots. Wrap the edges and start heating again for 2 minutes. Transfer the board into the press. Take out the cool boards. No more microplastics. Finish the edges and the corners of the board. In a sunny country, you can also use solar energy to heat up sand. And you can use the sand to speed up the processing. In a country where you have to protect yourself against the rain half a year long, and the other half a year you have to protect yourself against the sun, you always need boards. And these boards don't decay in the sunshine because there is the aluminum layer as a protection.